Okay, hi guys. Remember that other video of skates? Well, I'm here today, and I'm showing you how to work them and stuff like that. Also, I figured out how to skate on my own, so it should be pretty easy for you. Okay, so this is how you put the skates on. So I think it comes like this. So if it's too tight, then you just push this down and take it out. So here's how you make it tighter. You just push it into here. And then so all you do is slide your feet in. And then I'm gonna make it a little tighter. Okay, here. And then okay, so here. So it's gonna make like a mini clicking sound. And then you have to do these two. And these are going to be tied, I think. So, here. Got my helmet. And now I'm going to show you how to control it. Okay, so here we go. So, if this is your first time, you should hold on to the wall. Push yourself and then hold on to the wall. Like if you're like me, I'm kind of in the middle. You're in the middle. Or something like that. And then, so, that's what you do at the start. So I already showed you how to put them on. And I'm at this playground, I mean the school, and then this is where I'm showing you. So, here we go. There's Muffin and Me2 right there, and you can see him. He's walking around, and so, now, here. I'm not an expert at skating, roller skating, but I'm okay. I can take myself places. Also, remember I said you could switch the bottom parts? Well, the other parts are at my house. And then I'm gonna make another video, maybe even a whole session or something like that. And then about these skates, so you can learn everything about them. So I'm going to research about them. So they're really cool also. Woo-hoo. Okay. Bye! See ya in a different video.